Resistance we know is proportional to length of the conductor. So it is directly proportional to L. But on the other hand, resistance is also inversely proportional to the area of the conductor. Right? The more the area, the less is the resistance. So, but area is nothing but pi r square. Area of the conductor, so 1 by pi r square. Now, if we combine these two steps, we will see that resistance is proportional to L by A or L by pi r square. Now, अगर हम लोग proportional sign को equal to sign में बदलना चाहते हैं, तो we have to bring a constant, that is rho. Okay, this is rho. So R resistance is equal to rho into L by A. Rho is equal to resistance into area upon length. So this is known as the specific resistance. Now, if we take A is equal to 1 and L is also 1, then we see R is equal to rho. That is specific resistance. So specific resistance. Now, specific resistance, so what is it? Specific resistance of a material is the resistance of a wire of that material of length 1 and area of cross section also 1. So, what is the unit of specific resistance? We know rho is equal to RA by L. So, R is ohm, area is meter square, and divided by length is meter. So meter square or meter काट के ohm into meter. Ohm meter is the unit of specific resistance. Ohm meter. Buzzli eta keno ohm meter? Now what are the factors affecting this specific resistance? Now, the specific resistance, matlab it is the inherent, the characteristic property of that material. Right? It is different for different substances. It is very low for metals and alloys. तभी तो metals जल्दी जल्दी pass करेंगे चीज को, because their resistivity is low. And semiconductors के लिए low, but insulators के लिए the resistivity is very high. Specific resistance is high. They have given you a chart also. And the specific resistance of a substance also to depend upon an inherent property सब ठीक है, but it also depends upon the temperature. It increases with the increase in temperature for metals. If you increase the temperature, the resistivity will increase, but it decreases with. But for semiconductors, different thing happen. Even if you increase the temperature, the conductivity gets lessened. It decreases with the increase in temperature. For some alloys like manganese, constant in it remains practically unchanged even if you change the temperature. Okay, so